it when you see based on our feedback, it's like, yes, it's too good.
I think there's a lot of work that needs to be done before the customer gets there.
Over the last 2-3 years, we moved, let's say, the buzz from SLM to IoT.
We've typically looked at those that are designing at the front end stage, designing and building. Well, then they actually have to be manufactured. So.
Very nice to have you, CK, here at Bangalore. India being the fastest growing, biggest economies in the world officially now. And PTC unveiling its Center of Excellence at Bangalore, which is considered the Silicon Valley of India. So what do you think the future holds for this alliance?
I see two great things coming out of this. First, it's a great showcase for what is possible, all the way from design innovation, all the way through to the closed loop feed loop back to product design based on what's actually happening in the field, leveraging all of the best of what is L&T and PTC together. The second thing that I see happening is that it will be an innovation lab where continuous innovation is possible through bringing our customers, prospects and partners together. And then the great heritage that PTC has from CAD, PLM, ALM, SLM, and now IoT and AR, bringing all of that together, I think there'll be some great solutions that will come out of this lab.
What role do you think L&T Technology Services can play in Industries 4.0 using PTC's platform?
We work with L&T for many years, and L&T have a very good experience in using the PTC suite of products. They know very well and they use Creo, Windshield, SLM, and they have a good experience in advertising PTC, but much more important, it's to advise the customer.
So it's great having you, Ravi, with us today. First of all, I would like to thank you because you are the driving force from PTC side which has made this alliance a reality. On a lighter note, I would want you to answer that we heard that you grew up in Bombay, and being a Bombay boy, you had a connect with the L&T brand. That's what drove this alliance. So can you talk more about that?
L&T brand for all of us has been very synonymous with change, has been a part of transformation for our country itself and not just for IT enterprises per se. And I had a very, and everybody in India and everybody in Bombay especially knows Naik Saab as the CEO and the chairman of L&T. So needless to say, our interactions with L&T have been very, very positive. It weaves into the fabric of society, and therefore now in the extending itself to technology services, this was a marriage made in heaven. This was a very obvious choice for our partnership, and therefore, and given what L&T Tech Services is doing in the era of digital transformation, digital enterprises, IoT, it was a very obvious choice for us to build this partnership and take it forward to the next level.
So you are heading the digital horizontal for L&T Technology Services, which includes the PLM, and the PTC unveiling its PLM specific lab here with us. So how does it fit in the overall portfolio of L&T Technology Services, especially the digital horizontal?
Obviously, whatever we do has to be relevant to what customer is expecting in today's market. So there are two aspects of it. What does it mean to L&T, and what does it mean to PTC in terms of tying up with a company like L&T Technology Services? Obviously, PTC is one such product company which addresses the wider spectrum of engineering IT. When you talk about a PLM experience lab, I would say it goes much beyond PLM. So we are talking about the full life cycle of a product, all the way from concept till the product is sort of scrapped or end of life of the product. So the objective of putting something like this is, when a customer comes in, he actually sees real artifacts, real processes, real architecture, and actually how he is going to design probably his product in this kind of scenario. So that's That's the important aspect.
You are heading the PLM practice for L&T Technology Services, and you come with years of experience in PLM space. This is the first time L&T Technology Services is coming up with a center of excellence which is focused on PLM. Why choose PTC as a partner?
PTC is a leader in PLM, SLM and ELM, very clear leader. And then some of the acquisition what PTC made in recent time in digital areas like ThinkWorks, like Finexus, connected manufacturing. These are the strong enabler to implement digital transformation solution. Yes. So we think this is going to be a distinct leader and we can benefit our customer by implementing these solutions. And lab is going to be one such place where we are going to demonstrate how the solutions are going to work.